Hello, my name is Charles Zawacki, and this is a demonstration of my internal assessment. I am going to create a map using my map making program. Upon hitting New Map on my menu, a prompt appears allowing the user to select the dimensions of the map and the size of the sprites. For this demonstration, 5 will be used for the dimensions and 32 will be used for the sprite size. So we've got our map here. Before working with the map, the user first has to import sprites with which he or she may paint the map. The user can import an individual sprite via the Import Sprite button in the File menu, as long as it corresponds with the chosen dimension. In this case, the sprite cannot be imported in this invalid Sprite 2 because it is not a 32 by 32 sprite. However, obviously, a valid sprite may be imported, and it will be added to the sprite selector to our left. As shown here, we have the rainbow tile that can be drawn on the map. The user may also import sprite sheets, which can hold several sprites at once. The program automatically slices the sheets and assigns the sliced sprites to the sprite selector. In this case, the sheet must have a dimension divisible by 32. If not, the program will not accept the import. So here we'll demonstrate that with sheet 7. And it will throw an exception. The dimensions are inappropriate, the width or the height. Mod 32 is not equal to 0. However, obviously, a valid sprite sheet can be added, and all of its sprites will automatically be added to our sprite screen. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate that with sheet 6. So we have all our sprites here. After importing a few sprites, the user can now select the brush tool, which we have over here. Select a sprite from the sprite selector, and paint on the map. So we'll go ahead and do that really quickly. The program allows the user to extend the map in the direction of his or her choosing, northwards, eastwards, southwards, or westwards. For this demonstration, the map will be extended in all directions by 5 tiles. So we'll go ahead and do that. And as you can see, it is reflected on the screen as we make the adjustments. Now the user can make changes to his or her newly extended map. We'll go ahead and do that now. However, if the map has excess tiles, which we have northwards and southwards, that the user no longer wishes to use, the user may select the Cut Unused Space option from the Edit menu to auto-crop the map, which will be shown here. The north and south excess tiles have been cut off from the map, and the map is minimized to its essential drawn parts of the map. Further, if the user makes a mistake or would like to conveniently select a sprite, they may use the ink drop tool to select a sprite from the map. So we'll go ahead and select this floorboard sprite. And once the user makes the decision to select a specific sprite, they may use it to paint on the map to their liking. They may use it and may ink drop again and choose a different sprite. So we'll go ahead and make some more changes to this map here. So now our map is completed. Once the user has finished making a map, the user may save the map by clicking either Save Map As or Save Map. It will bring up a file chooser in which the user may navigate to the decided directory and save their map. We'll go ahead and save this as My First Drawn Map. The program will automatically save it and throw a declaration that it has successfully saved. As you can see, the change here is that from new map and the star that indicates that it is an unsaved map to the directory of the map build file. So we're going to go ahead and close this and we'll reopen it. So the user may open the program later and open the map. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we can click Load Map, which will bring up a file chooser that allows the user to navigate to their map. In this case, my first drawn map. It will go ahead and load all the used sprites that have been imported, as well as the map itself, as we can see here. In the case of having such a small map as this, the user can use the view menu to zoom in and out of the map, getting a closer look, still fully editable in the process. And the user can zoom into other values as well, 25%, 50%, all the way up to 200% in increments of 25%. Both the new map and load map functions are also integrated into the map making screen and may be accessed at any time. If the map isn't saved as it is now, which is indicated by the asterisk next to the MBD directory, a prompt will come out asking the user if he or she wishes to save changes, which will be demonstrated now. We can click New Map. Do you want to save before quitting? In this case, we'll decide yes, we do. It has been saved, and the same format shows up for new map and loading maps. So we're going to go ahead and use these default dimensions here. For the sake of demonstration, we're going to go ahead and open our old map once more, my first drawn map. Once the user has completed their map, the user may export the completed map as a PNG file under the File menu, which may be used in third-party programs in order to aid 2D game production, for instance in Unity or RPG Maker VX Ace. For this demonstration, the PNG file will be exported to the desktop as my first completed drawn map. A message will appear denoting the success of the exportation, which we can go ahead and view at the desktop now. And here's the PNG form of the map that we have just created in the program. As such, it is March 2nd, 2016, 11th year student Charles Zawacki's demonstration of the internal assessment. Thank you.